Afternoon, children. So here we can start today's class. Welcome back to my class. So in the last class, we have discussed about the excretory system. So in that we learned in this chapter, we will learn about the waste, isn't it? I told about the waste that it is formed in our body. Three types of waste it is formed. One, it is in solid waste. Second, it is the liquid waste and the gas waste. Waste, it is in the gas form. This all we learned, isn't it? And the process of removal of waste from our body. One name is there for that process. One name is there for that process. Aiden, yes, what is the name of the process?
Excretion.
Excretion. What is that process? Excretion. Okay, Aiden, please repeat.
Excretion.
Excretion. Okay, so that is called excretion. What is the name of the organ system? What is the name of the organ system that helps to remove liquid waste from our body? Stenin?
Excretory system.
Excretory system. Excretory system helps to remove which form of waste from our body?
Liquid waste.
Okay, liquid waste from our body, isn't it? And which are the organs? I will ask question, those only to answer it. Okay, which are the organs in the excretory system? Raise your hand. Those who know the names of the organs in excretory system. Yes, Neha Mary. Yes.
Kidney.
Yes.
Urethra.
Urethra.
Urinary bladder.
Then the ureters, isn't it? So, yes. So let me, okay, select the pen. Okay, so children, so here you can see kidneys, isn't it? Kidneys. Can you see that? Bean-shaped organs. These bean-shaped organs are called kidneys. It is below our abdomen, below our stomach. So in the third standard, you learned about kidneys, isn't it? Third standard, we learned about kidneys. So, which organ is bean-shaped? Those who know the answer, please raise your hand. Dave John, which organ is in bean-shaped?
Man, kidneys.
Kidneys. Okay. So, Cassina, how many kidneys are present in human body?
Man, 2.
2. That is why it is called one pair. Isn't it? What 2 yes. means one pair. One pair of kidneys. Yeah, pair of kidneys. So here I want to explain about the kidneys. So do you have strainer at home? Tea strainer. Do you have tea strainer? So as you are sitting at home, it is easy to get a tea strainer. Isn't it? Can anybody show the tea strainer? Anyone? Okay. Just Benedict went to kitchen for taking it, I think. Okay, you all can wait. So tea strainer is used to remove. Got it? Got it? Okay. Tea strainer, we used to remove the tea powder, which is not useful, isn't it? After boiling, we don't want the tea strainer. So that tea strainer, we don't, yeah. See, Benedict is showing is it is also a type of strainer, isn't it? This one we can use it for removing the tea leaves while making tea, or when we prepare juice.
I know.
Yes, juice. We can use this for. Yes, you can use it for removing the waste from the juice, isn't it, children? Yes, Anandita is also showing one. Let me spotlight it. Okay, Anandita, another type. This is the tea strainer. Isn't it? Tea strainer. This one is called tea strainer. I hope, children, you understood about the tea strainer now. Yes. Isn't it? Yes. Is it? Yeah. Yes. So, okay. So, wait. So, tea strainer. What is the function of the tea strainer? See, after boiling water and milk, we will put some tea leaves in the tea for making tea, isn't it? So after boiling, the essence of the tea leaves will be in the liquid. After that, while you drink the tea, if the tea powder comes to your mouth, is it good? Will you feel good? No. That is
No.
okay, Rayan. Got it. Thank you. So in order to remove that non-useful thing from the tea, we are using this strainer. Understood? So the function of the strainer is to remove the waste from the tea and make it able to drink. Isn't it clear? In this way, these kidneys are also like a tea strainer or the filter which we use to remove unwanted things. Okay, so kidneys also acts like a filter. What does it filter? It filters the waste that it is carried by the blood. Okay, the waste that it carried by the blood. So, children, when we look at there on our wrist, can you see a blue colored tube and red colored tube? Can you see bluish green, and another red colored? Isn't it? Both are blood tubes, blood vessels that carry blood. There are two types of blood tubes, blood vessels in our body. One, it is in bluish green color, another in reddish color. The blood vessel that is red in color, that carries pure blood. Okay, the blood tube that carries, the blood tube which appears in dark color, greenish blue, it contains waste. It contains the waste. Got it? So how many types of blood tubes are there in our body? Two types.
Two.
One which carry pure blood and the another one which carry waste. Okay, so blood, it is flowing through our body. When the blood flows through all the organs in our body, the blood collects waste from our body organs. Say in your home, there may be so many rooms in your home. Then kitchen will be there, dining room, bedroom, study room, toilet, isn't it? Sitting room, living room, whatever it is, so many rooms will be there. See, when you start to clean the room, when you go to each one of the room, you will get the waste, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Waste will be there in kitchen, waste will be there in the bedroom, waste will be there in the toilets, waste will be there in the living room, and most of the waste will be there in your study room. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes you may get scolding from your parents also. Oh, what you made this like that? No, I used to scold my kids. That is why. Okay, so children, there are as in the home, from the each room we get so many waste. In the same way, from our body, each part of our body, each organ, in each organ, some or the other type of waste it is produced. When the blood passes through these organs, it collects waste from that organ. Understood? So, and after collecting waste from the organ, that will enter into the kidneys. So, in this picture, can you see? Can you see this, children? One blue colored and the red colored tubes are entering into the kidneys. Can you see it clearly? Is it enough? Is it enough? Is it big enough to see? Is this picture is big enough to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, Stenin, please mute your audio. Not only Stenin, Neha also. So here you can see two colored blood vessels are entering into the kidneys. So in that blue colored blood vessel, that is veins, these may carry waste from the organs. So when it get it into the kidneys, see, you can see here, it is getting it into the kidneys. When it passes through the kidneys, kidneys are the natural strainers. Kidneys are the natural filters. What will happen to the blood when it passes through the kidneys? Kidneys may remove excess, remove the waste that is in the form of excess water and salt. Okay, kidneys act like strainers and it removes excess water and excess salt in the blood, present in the blood. Got it? Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Ellen Chika, what is your name? I don't know. One big number with Ellen Chika. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So this blood which carry waste, when it passes through the kidneys acts like a filter. It removes the excess water and salt from the blood. When it is removed, the blood will become pure. Got it? The blood will become pure. So that pure blood from the kidneys, it will pass through that red colored tubes. Can you see the red colored tubes are connected to it? Can you see it, children? Okay. Okay. So the blood that it contains waste, it will get it into the kidneys. There the waste, liquid waste are removed by the kidneys, and the pure blood, the blood will be passed through the red tubes. Okay, that tubes, pure blood will be passing into the other parts of the body. Got it? So here the kidneys are separating, bean-shaped kidneys are separating waste from the blood. Got it, children? Clear? So what is the role of kidneys? You learned it here. Isn't it? Excess water and salt from the blood is removed by which organ? Those who know, raise your hand. Those who know, raise your hand. Don't unmute. Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya. Tell me. Kidneys. Which are the, Ronit Lijo, which are the natural filters in our body? Ronit Lijo, which are the natural filters in our body? Kidneys. Very good. Okay. So, what happens to the waste which it is removed? After removing the waste, blood will become pure blood. Isn't it? Blood will become pure blood. It will pass through the blood tubes and get it into other parts of the body. So we know what we want to know, what it happens to the waste, isn't it? See, after removing the tea powder from the tea, where we will put it? Where we will? Waste bin, isn't it? We will put it in the waste bin. After removing the waste from the juice, what we will do with that waste, children?
We will put it in the
Okay, waste bin. Okay, good. In the same way, see here, the waste liquid that it is removed by the kidneys, it will be passed through the ureters. Can you see the ureters here? Can you see the ureters? That is the function of the ureters. That is the function of the ureters. Ureters are tubes. Ureters are tubes connected to the kidneys. Can you see that? Ureters are tubes that connected to the kidneys. Once the waste from the blood, if it is removed, that excess water and salt, it is passed through the ureters from the kidneys. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Clear? These are tube-like, no pipe-like structure.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Okay, so it is some technical issues, children. That is why it is automatically switching off. Okay, don't worry. I am here. I am teaching you. You can hear my voice, isn't it? So shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry about the video.
I'm down.
Yes, yes, Casina.
Can I know, Bin?
Okay, Nobin, ask me.
Ma'am, in the kidney that there is water.
In the kidneys are like the strainers. Okay, strainer. I think you came late. Strainer means the
Yes,
strainer. Yeah, the tea strainer. You have seen it, no? Tea strainer removing tea powder from the tea. We are using one. You don't know your net-like thing. Net-like thing. Anybody is here now? Is it now? No. Okay, tea strainer. Just now we showed it in the class. Okay, so now Ben just after the class, just ask to your mother. Okay, tea strainer or the strainer which we use to remove waste from the juice after preparing pineapple juice. Understood, Nobin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so using that net-like thing, we will pass that liquid through it. So there we can remove that waste. Okay, so in the same way, these kidneys are acting like that. Some blood tubes carrying blood, it may get it into the kidneys, passing all over the kidneys. From that, the kidneys can remove the excess water from it. That after collecting the excess water, it will send it through the ureters. Send it through the ureters. Got it? So what it passes through the ureters? Who can tell me? What it passes through the ureters? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Okay, okay, Rayan Yunus, tell me. What it passes through the Rayan? Okay, Jovial or Amarin? Who can tell that? Amarin. Amarin, tell me.
Liquid waste.
Sorry?
Ma'am, liquid waste.
Liquid waste passes through the ureters. Okay, so this if you see this diagram, you can see these ureters are connected to a bag-like organ, isn't it? Ureters are connected to a bag-like organ. Can you see that, children?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that bag-like organ is called, what is the name of that bag-like organ?
Urinary bladder.
Okay, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. So, okay, got it. The kidneys, after removing excess water and salt from the blood, it may send that liquid waste which it is collected from the blood through the ureters to the urinary bladder. Okay, this urinary bladder, in the urinary bladder, this liquid waste will be collected. Okay, in the school bag, we are keeping so many things: books, snacks box, lunch box, water bottle, pencil box. So many things we are keeping in the bag, isn't it? In the same way, there is a bag. Bag called urinary bladder. In that, the liquid waste which it is removed by the kidneys passes through the ureters and getting it stored in the which one? Getting it into stored in which organ? Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder. So when the urinary bladder become half filled, you may ask to your teacher, ma'am, can I go? Can I use washroom? Can I go to washroom? Isn't it? Understood? That means you feel to pee. You feel to urinate. Got it? When the urinary bladder become half filled, what will happen? You will feel to urinate. When you went to the urinal or went to the washroom through the opening called urethra, through the opening called urethra. You can see a pipe-like structure at the end of the urinary bladder. What is the name of that one? What is the name of it? Opening outside. Urethra. Okay, through the urethra. Yeah, through the urethra, the liquid waste will go out of our body as urine. As urine. Urine is the name of the liquid waste. It is formed out of our, is removed out of our body. Clear? Is it clear? So so from the using or kidneys, remove the liquid waste when the blood passes through the kidneys. That liquid waste, it may pass it through the ureters to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores that liquid, excess liquid waste in it. When it becomes half filled, we may feel to pee or we may feel to urinate, and the urine that is called the liquid waste get out of our body through the urethra. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is how the excretory system helps us to get rid of the liquid waste from our body. Do you have any doubt, children? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, what is the name of the, listen carefully, don't say the answer. Those students to whom I am asking, those only to answer. Okay. Ajwa Minha. Ajwa? Yes. Tell me, Ajwa, what is the name of the bag-like organ that stores liquid waste in the excretory system? Bag-like organ that stores liquid waste.
Urethra.
Urethra.
Urinary bladder.
Yeah, urinary bladder. See, some are answering without my permission. That is not good. Ajwa Minha, what is the name of that one?
Urinary bladder.
Okay, so and Ajwa, please, please tell me the name of this organ. Let me see. I am drawing a box. Can you see a bag-like organ there, Minha?
Ma'am?
Can you see a bag-like organ in that square?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of that one?
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder.
Bladder.
Okay. So be regular in class. Okay, Manha. Okay. Be regular in the class. So Minha. Yeah. So urinary bladder.
Bladder.
So what is the name of the organ which opens out of our body in excretory system? Don't tell the answer. Don't. What is the name of the organ which opens out of our body?
Mama,
I already somebody told the answer. Okay, keep it down, children. So another one. What is the name of the organ? I asked the question to Ardra. Ardra PS.
Yes, ma'am.
Ardra PS. What is the name of the? What is the name of the organ? Tube-like organ that connects kidney and urinary bladder. Only Ardra can say that answer. All of you think. What is the tube-like organ? Ardra?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
See Rahul, mute your audio.
Answer. Ma'am.
Aradhya Binil, tell me, Aradhya.
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Those who know the answer, Asna Tejasri, without asking, don't tell me. Those who know the answer, raise your hand.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Veda. What is that one? See here in the picture, you can see it. The tube-like organ. Can you see two tubes that connecting kidneys and urinary bladder? What is the name of this? Ureters. Ureters. Okay. So this is all about the working of excretory system. So children, you have to read the textbook properly. Okay.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Okay, no problem. I already told some problem is there. No problem.
Attendance.
Ma'am, attendance.
So in the next class, I will take a spelling test and also I will ask some questions. Okay, oral questions. Be ready for it.
Chapter